Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and today I'm doing a video that was offered as a challenge from J Dolls UK and the Real Prince Club. And the idea was to show your dolly as a in a job or a career. And so, you know me, I have to do something different. Here's my clown. The clown is actually Jamie's fault from Let's Talk About It with Jamie. She has a Blythe that is a, she actually bought a custom Blythe that was made into a little clown. It is adorable. You should go by her channel and see her little doll. And so I had Petunia, who had a very shiny face, and I did the face up myself. I know it's not the greatest, but it's the best I can do. I had these little bowling pins. I used to sell these. I used to train a lot of small animals, mice and hamsters, gerbils, pet rats, guinea pigs, rabbits. Oh gosh, probably I'm forgetting 100. Also trained fish and horses and dogs and cats, and I could go on, goats and llamas. But I used to sell these in our shop, Marna's Menagerie, for props for pet rats to play for bowling. I actually have a video. My old videos were some training videos that we had made. But anyway, Darren, God love him, I have been injured, and Darren went out and dug to find these, and he brings them in. God love him, he thought ahead, and he made these a little bit bigger. I think they're a better size. He did that on the 3D printer, and I really like them. Because the 3D printer, when you paint that, especially if you use markers, oh, it runs in the little lines. So what I did is I tied ribbon around the neck of the bowling pins. I think it's cute. I'm really happy with her. I made her little outfit 15 minutes at a time. Because of my injuries, I have to sit with my foot in the air. I have a terrible sprained ankle.
And wrist.
And wrist and skin knees, and it's bad. But I only sew 15 minutes out of every hour. Actually, I sew for 15 minutes, sit a full hour, sew another 15 minutes, and I actually set the alarm and get angry when it goes off, because you can barely cut something out in 15 minutes. But anyway, I wanted to do more with her, but here's what I could do today, and I'm happy to show you Petunia, my little Blythe clown. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.